Yeah, here the third question is like concept of direct manipulation and follow characteristics. So what is a direct manipulation? Let's see. So direct manipulation has some characteristics, right? So let's see. Suppose consider some website. Okay, some website. Take it as an Aadhaar card registration or something. Okay. So what happens is, so the main thing is like for your purpose, you assume that you are going to apply for a new form. Okay, you are going to apply for a new form, but the main concept is to you are going to apply. You don't know how you apply or something like that. You're not worried about the applications and the tools over there. You're just worried about the task has to be done. Okay, so your task is to get a new form, but there might be the different options like update address, update number or something like that. And there will be some visibility, right? Maybe like update, there will be some moving object over here, like update your other your link your pan card with your other or something like that. And if you've done any mistakes or while filling, you can easily undone or you can go back and update it, right? So these are the options. We can say it as a direct manipulation. So these are the following characteristics. So the main key point, I will go from line wise, line by line, by point. So first point, what is the system is portrayed as an extension of the real world. A person is allowed to work in a familiar environment and a familiar way, focusing on the data, not the application and tools. So here you can see that as I said, you are working, the main task is to get your other in new form, right? For other, you're applying for as a other as a new candidate. So the main task is like you work in a familiar environment, in a familiar way, focusing on the data, not on the application tools. The system is portrayed as an extension of the real world. The next, continuous visibility of objects and actions. So suppose there are continuous visibility of actions. As I said, pan, link your pan with other or other with pan or something. Yeah, link your other card with pan. So continuous visibility of objects and actions. Some action you have to take, reminder of actions to be performed are also obvious, right? The next, actions are rapid and incremental with visible display of results. Suppose if you fill the form 1, then there will be other details you want, like I acknowledge that form or something like that in the second page. So this is second page, like actions are rapid and incremental with a visible display of result. So whenever you take some particular action, the immediate action it should be take. Like if I give submit button, it should not take a lot of time to get submitted. It should submit within seconds. Okay, within few seconds. Okay, it should be like that. So here actions are immediately displayed visually on the screen. Their new and current form. Auditory feedback may also be required. Suppose once you fill the form, then you have to give some feedback over there, like yeah, I have done this in a better way or than the previous thing, like that. So then the last one is incremental actions are easily reversible. Suppose you entered a data wrong. Okay, suppose you entered your mobile number wrong, like you added 11 digits or 12 digits. You have to go back and update it soon. Like you can have the option that you can update. That's what the good design uh, works. Like that's how good design works. So what is the keyword over here? The keyword is ISAC. So I know the ISAC spelling is ISSAC, but for keyword ISAC, this is a keyword for the direct manipulation. So what is the I? I is incremental. Incremental actions are easily reversible. Just write the main point and then this the highlighted one. Incremental actions are easily reversible. Incorrect or not desired can be easily done. That whenever you do mistake, it has to be uh, reversible. Okay, I stands for incremental. S, the system is portrayed as an extension of the real world. Here the system is portrayed as extension of real world. A, actions are rapid and incremental with visible display of results. Actions, whenever you click on submit button, it should be submitted within seconds. It should not make, like it should not take longer time. Okay, actions are rapid and incremental with visible display of results. Next, C, continuous continuous visibility of objects and actions. That there should be, the object should be continuous visible. Like suppose if I create a website, if I find a submit button somewhere in somewhere like here and or somewhere here, will it be comfortable for me? No, the submit button should be always here right, in this position most of the times. Yeah, that's how the increment what I the thing is like continuous visibility of objects and actions. So this is how it works. The keyword is ISAC for direct manipulation. Yeah.